This is my $800 1999 Yamaha 350 Warrior that had been sitting for about a year in a garage. Got a few issues. Clutch cable, sticks, heel guards are missing, hanger wire everywhere, connecting things, bolts missing. Plastics are rough. Seats pretty much destroyed, covered in black duct tape. Front plastics are missing lots of bolts and rough. Grips are shot. Fuel petcock is leaking. Carburetor is leaking. Front brakes are sticking. Has an on-off switch for the ignition. Bit of work to do. Let's go. Alright, here's the project. Got the new pieces for the fuel petcock for the leaky gas tank, new ignition with an actual key, new used gas tank cover, headlight hood cover, got a new hose from the gas tank to the carburetor, clutch cable. These are the plastics. I'm going to hit them up with some spray paint, touch them up. Got the brakes semi sorted out. New brake caliper. Got the plastics on it. Replaced the on-off switch with an actual ignition. New locking hand grips. Ooh, good old ODIs. New seat, much better. Plastics aren't perfect, but still look a lot better. Put on a new clutch cable, and actually the clutch adjustment piece was missing, so got that on there. New fuel petcock, it was done. A new carburetor, it all looks much better. Spray painted the foot pegs and found some heel guards. Switched out the rear plastics. Got this piece so that you could actually see the reverse and neutral lights, and everything works. New battery. Let's fire it up. So you can see, starts right up. Sounds pretty good. Get a riding video out shortly, but